So, hi guys, we're at the height of, Basyang just made landfall like 2 p.m. Argao, medyo still rainy here in Cebu. And muna, na natong green GSM. Finally, abot na. And more is green GSM. So we'll go. Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you, sir. Alright, finally, na natong green GSM. Start trip, bro. Okay. Mag-sit back. Muna yung Basyang is in Cebu. So, muna na may nakasakay ta. So, muna naka-widescreen lang ta. And we're on our way home. So, with green GSM. So, muna ang dagway sa Cebu during Basyang, pero may trabaho ko no. People were encouraged to, stop working at 2 p.m. Okay, maling yun bagyo. Pero tatanawon kung tanaw na itong traffic ron, pero may klase na daan. But maula, Basyang has brought rains. Baha dito sa Iligan, nilandfall siya sa Bohol, nilandfall ron sa Argao. Niya itong ron biyahe ron. So diba, napatadres si Podromo dapit. Manilang smart meter. So anyway, we're traveling, at the height of Basyang. Likuan natin. So naka-green GSM ta. So let's wait for this traffic light. So mauna. And grabing uwan. Pero hopefully may mga baha kayo dito sa tuwa, pero I think pretty sure lagi mga lugar na grabe ang ulan, and that's understandable. Mauna na panahon karon, nagpasyang man, so we have a typhoon. So hopefully okay ra to mga pamilyas Bohol. So ang Basyang karon padung natin sa Negros. So dapat naglandfall siya 2 p.m. kuno sa Argao. Diba? So mga 4 kapin of the 5 naman ta. So asa na labang na or napalit siya diri within Cebu, southern Cebu. But I think hinay yung hangin, di ba, may wind signal, but we have rains. We're scared of the rains for now. I'm scared ta sa rains. Ang rains may nagdag baha. Ang rains may magdag mga unsa-unsa. So wala ikuan ba? Wala itong gibantayan. But yeah, so far, mani dagway Cebu City during Basyang. First, so di ba, yung mga camera, kita yung motor. Mga motor kita niya. Kasi 360 camera yan, kasi top view. Di ba? So money traffic around sa Gorordo Avenue going to walang pang na dito, wala tagi Chavez, wala problema, or Mango Avenue, money traffic na dali. May pring usara, kalmar kayo, jogging lang kalmar kayo. Wala dagan brad, mananindot kita mag-training rong urasa kay walay init, 101, mana more mag training never stops. Diba? Nagkanta. Lamira mang dagan so far so good. Pero wala, chill and relax. Pero wala, okay na, another feature na doon dire in this building. Yaw kayo sa Cocotel, McDonald's. Uy, magduman na Cocotel. Mas gusto ko magdagan na mo ay niya kaysa namo. Pakingan lang siya sa bike. Yeah. So anyway, Basyang was spotted dito dapit sa may Surigao pa to. Of course, sa Caraga region, so we call it Eastern Mindanao, and then it crossed to in Mindanao, naglandfall sa Mindanao. Niagi siya, nagbaha ko dito sa Cagayan, sa Iligan. Pero ang giagian ganyan, ito siya padung sa Bohol, ito siya Pilar, ikalit siya Saka. Ito ting abin lang Southern Cebu to, or dito mo tapsing na sa Cebu. Nilihis siya going to Bohol, niabot siya Pilar, ito siya off the coast of Anda. Pero wala. Noon, hindi makainiko lagi. It's not an issue much because hindi man ni itong super typhoon, typhoon na naging mata. Pero yeah, they call it the eye gihapon, but you know, kuan gihapon siya, diligid siya, wala man siya nakapurma into a typhoon. So it's a tropical depression, pero mali na, if you have a whole day of rain, there might be a risk of, you know, flooding, mga landslide, diba? Mali, delikado lang ba? But we're hoping and praying na wala sa. And anyway, one of the big news is niuli si Governor Pam Maricotro. Niuli siya para she was in Fujian, China. She went home para, you know, to monitor this typhoon. She didn't want to be, you know, my issue like before. Sometimes being being out of the country during a typhoon is a big issue, especially for local government officials, because no matter how much you save ang imong jurisdiction for local LGUs, for example, you're a mayor, your jurisdiction is your town, diba? What are you doing abroad, diba? So maybe promote ka, nag-appeal ka tourism event or a forum or whatever kang Governor Maricotro. She was in Fujian, China, kay I think she visited China kana parang sisterhood na nila, di ba, to learn more mga kay nagasa kang makatunan sa China, like especially when it comes to technology, di ba, technology na to mga ano bang, they're looking into mga waste to energy projects, things that, you know, mga technologies that will advance or improve the lives of the Cebuanos. We got a lot to learn gapon sa China. Imagine China is nasa mga high densely populated places, yet they manage, di ba, the waste, manage agriculture, they manage jobs, so, di ba, so naa ba like production, so nagit ay makatunan sa China. Mga grabe na naka-technology kaya advance ng China. Mabilib sa kuha na nila na like na ilang mga mobile companies, mga wala daghan, even building cities, connectivity, we got China been like, you know, been advancing in that aspect. Kauna gud, di ba, kung ganahan ng technology is gonna be ulo, tanaw din natong Baha Andres Bonifacio, hadlok na mo labang ang Ford. Samantaan ato lang ka U-turn na gyamo ka dito ha, sa Tarikan ha kadong. Ha, ayaw na dito skulon ha. Ma'am ni tambut, so we're riding an EV, so walang moy siya. Walang multicam na nakuha na. So mani lumos. So i-test na to ang riding an EV during baha. Matun ta pinaka-win-win ha, kanang gawas sa padungtan nila. Murag kuyawan tas kulon. Wala na to. Liligo na to. Diba kaya? Baka na, pwede na diretso tayo. Pero mo na challenges. Wala man din niya lapit naman. So okay na din. ni ang baha ang baha na itong nagian. Ano itong kulon. Naman, okay naman kulon. Pero wala, mga ikuha na naman na challenging na lagi mga magbaha lagi man hours and hours of rain ba will have floods. Wala, diha sa tamang undang guys. Let's hope for the best. Thank you so much for watching guys, and itong mga our friends diha na naagian sa Baguio, keep safe, or kanang agian pa sa Baguio, keep dry. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll find out more about the effects of Basyang sa Cebu, yes, in our next drive. Bye.